Hi teachers, here's a quick tutorial on how to clean up the navigation for your students so they don't see any distracting buttons or headings in their student view of their Canvas course. I'm here in my dashboard. I'm going to go down and demonstrate for you in my Sandbox course. So when I open my Sandbox course, I'll go down here to Settings and over to the Navigation tab. So I can always edit this stuff later. But at the beginning, I want to go ahead and clean up my navigation tab. And right now, students would see all of these headings. And I want to move some out of the way so that even if I have content there, students don't need to see it and they don't get bogged down looking around in things that are just distracting to them. This will clean up their view. So right now I've got the things that I think my students will need to see. I have to go down here and save my changes, and I can go back and change this later if I need to, but I'm going to check to see what does this look like with my student view. And you can see right here, it's nice and clean. Students don't have any distractors. And if I add content, let's say to announcements, that's something that students will get to see later once I add content there, and it will just appear automatically. But right now it's not there because I don't have any announcements yet. So try and do that at the beginning of your course so that when students are just learning their way around Canvas, they don't get distracted by things that they don't need.